morning, Nelson Mandela. Today is Thursday, January 17th. My name is Ryan, and this is United News. For students responsible for the historical video, there is a meeting tomorrow, January 18th, in Mr. Constable's room, 1185. The last day of regular classes is tomorrow, January 18th, and there are no regular classes between January 21st and the 31st. A reminder from administration: during exam period, the school will be very busy with exams, scheduled tutorials, and demand time, so there will not be available spaces for you to come to school to study. We would suggest finding a quiet space at home or perhaps the Saddletowne Library. The Learning Commons, pre-function space, flex spaces, and stadium will not be available for use. Textbooks will still be available to borrow from the Learning Commons during exam break, but must still be returned by the next school day at 9 a.m., even if you don't have an exam. The first day of the second semester is Monday, February 4th. Thank you and have a great day.